Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to remove devices from your YouTube TV account. Maybe you got a new TV, or you're letting a friend use your account and want to revoke their access. Whatever the reason, it's a pretty straightforward process. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to remove devices from YouTube TV using both the YouTube TV website on your computer and the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. So stick around. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. Section 1. Removing devices via YouTube TV website. Okay, first, let's look at how to remove devices using the YouTube TV website on your computer. Visual. Screen recording of accessing YouTube TV on a computer. 1. Open your web browser and go to tvyoutube.com. http://tvyoutube.com. 2. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that's linked to your YouTube TV subscription. 3. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. It might be a picture of you or just an initial. 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. 5. On the Settings page, click on Devices. You'll see a list of all the devices currently signed in to your YouTube TV account. 6. Find the device you want to remove. 7. Next to the device, you'll see an X or Delete option. Click on it. 8. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the device. Click Remove. And that's it. The device will be removed and will no longer have access to your YouTube TV. Section 2. Removing devices via YouTube TV app. Now, let's see how to remove devices using the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Visual. Screen recording of accessing YouTube TV app on a phone or tablet. 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. 3. Tap on Settings. 4. Select Devices. 5. You'll see a list of all the devices signed in to your account. Find the device you wish to remove. 6. Tap on the device you want to remove. 7. Then tap Remove. 8. Confirm your decision by tapping Remove again. The device is now removed.
Super simple, right?
Section 3. Important considerations. A couple of important things to keep in mind. Device confirmation if the person using the device is actively watching YouTube TV when you remove it, they might be able to continue watching for a short period. However, they will eventually be prompted to sign in again. Password security regularly changing your Google account password is a good practice to ensure the security of your YouTube TV account, especially if you suspect unauthorized access.
Outro.
And that's all there is to it. Removing devices from your YouTube TV account is a quick and easy way to manage who has access to your subscription. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.